Okay, so basically the point of this is, you know how in OBS you have to each time change your guest name, their title, maybe their social media, the title of the episode? This is going to be an easy way that from Excel you can just type what you need and then just modify it a little bit if needed. But everything is already set to go. So in Excel, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your guest name, their occupation, their contact. I mean, we can really make it whatever you want that to say. It doesn't really matter. And there's different ones. You can do either 3, 6, or 10 text fields. Obviously, the price varies based on that. What you're going to do is type there and hit transfer. And then you'll see that in your OBS, it changed it to whatever you typed in there, you see? And then you just modify everything as you need. Okay. Yeah, if you're interested, the links are down below.